Good morning. My name is Alberto García, and in this exhibition, outstanding aspect of the socio-technological project will be explained. Situational context. This social technological project is carried out in the Ministry of Popular Power for Foreign Relations, which presents the following background. On December 20, 3 2004, according to Decree Number 3, 400, and 2 published in Official Gazette Number 10/1990, dated January 4, 2005, the President of the Republic, Hugo Chavez Fría, issued this special reform of the organic regulation of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, stipulating that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is made multiple of the permanent representation before international organizations as well as the other dependencies indicated in the organic regulation. In 2006, to the President's decree of the organization and operation of the National Public Administration of December 28 of the same year, published in Official Gazette Number 5/436. Extraordinary of January 8, 2007, the Minister of Foreign Relations is called Minister of People Power for Foreign Relations. Subsequently, according to Decree Number 5/400, in 18 dated August 7, 2000, and server published in Official Gazette Number 10/7, 151, August 21, 2007, the Organic Regulation of the Minister of People Power for Foreign Relations is issued, and on the issue engaged on stipulated in Decree Number 6 and 116 and 6 there, August 19, 2009, publishing in the Official Gazette of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela Number 29/245 of the same day, and Decree Number 8/742 there, 27 December 2011, published in the Official Gazette of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, Number 39/441, dated January 22, 2012. Objective of the Organic Regulation of the Ministry. Determine the organic and the functional structure of the Ministry of People Power for Foreign Relations, as well as establish the distribution of power and function of the office of by ministry and the different office that comprise it. Objective of the Ministry. 1. Analysis and evaluate the creation and impact of public policies in matters of serving and foreign relations with the support of the Executive General Secretary. 2. Support the Minister both in the design and formulation of ministry policies. 3. Monitor the decision made by the Ministerial Board in relation to comply with the public policies defined in the serving and foreign relations. 4. Plan, coordinate, and direct information of multidisciplinary team to design and evaluate the execution and impact of policy in matters of serving and foreign relations. Problematic. Next, this power of the institution is present. The social technological project for carrying out in its area of the information technology. Director and the system director located on the fixed front basement on the Minister Tower. They are in charge of the system and general aspect of the Ministry technology. After approaching the community and analyzing the requirement of the project, it became evident that many of the institution systems did not undergo and computer audit the six, the directive of the information, the technology. Director and the system director selected to the system of convention and multilateral agreement of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela (SICONECO) to execute the project with said system, which an action not be previous audit, must led by a project team from UNEXCA, verified by the description of Article 9 of the Organic Regulation of the Ministry that correspond to internal audit paragraph number 14, in which regulated and division in any of the elements examine within the agency that affect development of its operation. That is the purpose of the project. Proposal. General objectives. Managing each other in the directorial system of the Ministry of People Power for Foreign Affairs. Proposal. Specific objective. 1. Describe the planning and activity of the project together with the analysis and requirement of the Ministry in the System Department. 2. Execute the process in the elaboration of the charter and project management plan. 3. Manage software quality, drivers, administration, information security, and network to Psychonaco. 4. Justify in audit to Psychonaco with finding evidence. 5. Establish the whole cause of the project in accordance with those responsible for the ministry in the system department. Justification. The social technological project aims to stifle the technological sovereignty of the country where the project team assume the full responsibility that the project entails, which based on the scaling of the national computer training program is aiming at carrying out a computer audit in the public administration. It should choose a way. It will allow fine tension, failure errors, risk and consequences in a given computer system subquery. The project team will issue a professional opinion attached to the evidence obtained during the analysis of the computer system, we took necessary recommendations for efficient and effective. The project team identified two statistics of the public administration, the Ministry of People Power for Control and the Ministry of People Power for Foreign Relations. After analysis, the little information obtained for the computer system of both entities in determining to query out the project in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to system of convention and multilateral agreement of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, Psychonaco, because it must the feasibility requirement for the project. It should be noted that the ministry has other computer systems, apart from Psychonaco, which are also pending a computer audit before the project team advances with the internal objective of the ministry, more specifically of the Center Directory belonging to the Office of Information and Communication Technology. Execution. The execution of the social technological project covered from the beginning of this until the conclusion of the one corresponding to the academic period, which is divided into 3 trimesters in which the project team must deliver various deliverables that show information on the activities carried out in the project. Indices the execution correspond to are elements necessary for the efficient management of the various deliverables. This will be established by the direction of the university corresponding to the development of the academic period of the project team. The execution of the project influenced according to the action plan carried out. This serves as a game to achieve the objective and although declared before, it was possible to define the effective way to fulfill the objectives of the project for consecutive or exhaustive planning. Some key aspects are mentioned in the realization of the action plan of this project. 1. Manage the audit of the Psychonaco. 2. Requirement analysis. 3. Software quality management. 4. Information security management. 5. Network management. 6. End of project. Conclusion and recommendation. 1. You are encouraged to make use of the regulation used during the project. 2. It is necessary to adapt the system to new technology that improve their performance. 3. It is recommended to hire qualified personnel in the area of programming and database management. 4. It is a priority for the institution to develop training manual for generic users. 5. Evaluation procedure must be applied to obtain the opinion of the user and determine if the system works properly. Thank you for your attention. I hope that this exhibition has been to your liking.